Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 74 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we begin exercises on 8 notes with exercises 112 and 113.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
I just want to warn you that as we go through these exercises, that you don't go too fast for accuracy. Make accuracy your primary motivation, and remember that the head tone dictates facility and ease in the voice. So make sure even when you begin low that you're not dragging up weight from the bottom and bringing it up top. Really keep that head tone nice and pure as you keep going up. And here is exercise 112. All right, I almost made it, but had to take a breath at the end, and that's okay. So make sure that when you breathe, you're going to breathe on the first note of the measure after the measure that you need to breathe, and that you don't breathe on the ending note of the measure, okay? And here is exercise 113. And again, I did breathe on that one because I'm striving for accuracy and making sure I have the difference between the second and the third, which is a little bit tricky. You know, again, a lot of these are very different from what we might preconceive or the previous ones, so we get into a habit. So this is really about breaking those patterns, breaking the patterns in the throat, breaking the patterns in the mind, and staying conscious moment to moment about what is really happening musically. So yeah, I did take that slower when I was coming back down because I felt like I just needed that for accuracy. And so don't feel like you need to take this at one tempo. Feel around where you need that space so that you can really find the difference between the intervals.